Сайн байцгаана уу? Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about some word formation suffixes in Mongolian. The suffixes we are going to learn today creates a similar form of English causative verbs. Since it's two different languages, it's not exactly same. Sometimes the translation of regular and causative form of same Mongolian verb might be translated into two different English verbs. I think you will understand more when you see the examples. So, let's get started. Here are the suffixes ul, ilqa, qa, and a. You might be wondering what these little numbers. This expresses how many versions of the suffixes with different vowels exists. For example, ul 2 means there are two versions with different vowels, ul and ul. Ilqa 4 means there are four versions with four different vowels, ilqa, ilge, ilqa, ilgo. Now let's look at the examples. First, let's look at the verbs that take ul and u suffixes. Явах, явуулах. I believe most of you know this verb. Явах means to go. When we add the suffix ul on this verb, meaning becomes to send. In other words, someone caused it to go. Now let's go through the example sentences. Тэр өчигдөр Япон явсан. Yesterday she went to Japan. In this sentence, the subject of the sentence implemented the action. Next sentence, би шуудангаар илгээмж явуулсан. I sent a parcel by post office. In this sentence, the subject of the sentence I caused the parcel to go someplace. One more sentence, би дүүгээ дэлгүүр рүү явуулсан. I sent my younger sister to the store. In this sentence, I made my sister go to the store. I was the person who ordered the action but didn't implement the action. I hope now it becomes clearer. The rest of the suffixes exactly works the same way. So I will just read the example sentences. If there is anything unclear or you don't understand, you can ask me on the comment below. Now let's continue. Бичих, бичүүлэх. To write, to get it written. Би өдөр бүр ээж рүүгээ зурвас бичдэг. Every day I send a message to my mom. Чи онгоцны тасалбараа бичүүлсэн үү? Did you get your plane ticket written? Би найзаараа захиа бичүүлсэн. I made my friend write a letter. Now let's look at the two more verbs with suffix ilga, ilge, ilgo, ilgo. Хийх, хийлгэх. To do, to get something done. Би аавынхаа мөрөнд оройд массаж хийж өгдөг. In the evening, I do massage to my dad's shoulders. Би хөлөндөө массаж хийлгэх дуртай. I like getting a massage for my feet. So, in these two sentences, you can see the difference clearly. In the first sentence, massage хийх, meaning you do the massage. And in the second sentence, massage хийлгэх, meaning you ask someone to do it for you. Хийлгэх, you're not doing the massage. Okay, one more sentence. Тэр гэрийн даалгавраа хүнээр хийлгэсэн. She get her homework done by someone. Суух, суулгах. to sit, to install, to let something or someone sit. Сандал дээр хоёр хүн сууж байна. There are two people sitting on the chair. Настай хүмүүсийг сандал дээр суулгаарай. Please let elder people sit on the chairs. Би компьютер дээрээ олон програм суулгасан. I installed many programs on my computer. Example verbs that take suffixes га, ге, го, го. Өсөх, өсгөх. To grow, to raise. Би хөдөө өссөн. I grew up in the countryside. Намайг эмээ өвөө минь өсгсөн. My grandparents raised me. Гарах, гаргах. To exit, leave, or to take out. Би ажилдаа 9 цагт гардаг. I leave for work at 9 o'clock. Хүүхдүүд дэвтэр номоо цүнхнээсээ гаргав. Children took out their notebooks and books from their bags. Now verbs with a, e, o, o. Хатах, хатаах. Хатах means to dry. Хатаах to make something dry. Зун нойтон хувцас хурдан хатдаг. Wet clothes dry up easily in summer. Би угаасан хувцас хатаасан. I dried my washed clothes. So in the first sentence, the clothes dry itself. We're talking about the action happening to itself. And in the second sentence, I take out and put them on the dryer. So би хатаасан. Унтрах, унтраах. To go off, die out. Унтраах, to shut down. Миний өрөөний гэрэл гинт унтарчихлаа. The lights of my room suddenly turned off. Гарахдаа гэрлээ унтраагаарай. Please turn off the lights when you leave. Here I'm adding some more example verbs. Нээх, нээгдэх. To open itself. Хаах, хаагдах. To close itself. Нурах, нураах. To collapse, to demolish. Арилах, арилгах. To fade away, to disappear. To erase. Сэрэх, сэрээх. To wake up, to wake someone up. Норох, норгох. To get wet, to make something wet. Идэх, идүүлэх. To eat, to make someone eat. Нуух, нуугдах. To hide from something. Айх, айлгах. To be scared, to scare. Thank you for being with me. I hope this video gives you more understanding of Mongolian verbs. In the future, I am planning to add more videos about other verb suffixes. See you until next time. Дараа уулзлаа баяртай.